Hi, my name is Casey Carlson. I'm going to be your child's core skills teacher, 7th hour. And I just wanted to introduce myself and kind of create a video that would have taken the place, or will take the place of back to school night, where normally I would get to meet you in person, talk a little bit about the class, and show you my room. So I kind of want to do that here now with you virtually. First of all, welcome back. We're using Canvas this year, and so my core skills Canvas, I'm going to update this. It's not showing the pictures. Here we are. Core skills class tile looks like this. And then we come to the main page. I'm going to go to student view. Okay, so this is just the main page of core skills. With core skills, what this time is, 7th hour every day, whether your student is at home or with me at school, is two main things. The first one being we address our IEP goals and the IEP plan that we have put forth for your student. So when they're with me, I'm going to be working on their assignments with them in other classes and tailor those towards IEP goals when it's appropriate. Sometimes I'll be working with them on their IEP goals directly and taking data. Other times I will just be helping them with their science work, their math work, whatever it is they need to kind of get through the day to understand it better. It is at the end of the day, so it does allow us kind of time to decompress, time to talk through what we learned that day and how we're going to be organized for the next day. I really want us to get into a habit of when we're here in person, the end of that day, that 7th hour core skills, we have a plan. So for the next day when we're at home, we know exactly what we need to do for our classes. Hopefully we can get to that point, and so it'll be easy on the parents at home and easy and stress-free for your student. So there really won't be much in these learning modules just because we won't. I might start posting stuff there, but I will let you know as I do that. Contact me. This is probably just the most important thing. Here's the school number with my extension 2787 and my email. This is by far the best way to get a hold of me. If you want to talk on the phone, that's great. Shoot me an email and tell me that you'd like to talk on the phone, and we can schedule a time that day, most likely, that I can call you and we can talk it out or schedule a meeting. But I will be reaching out to you for IEP meetings. I know I've reached out and talked to most of you about the Form G. I'm still trying to get in touch with some of you. So if I haven't talked to you about Form G on the phone, please reach out to me so we can talk about that. I'm required by law to have a conversation with you. It's just basically about how we're going to teach your child and address the IEP during this COVID scheduling goofy time. So anyway, that's really it. My classroom for core skills, I have a total of 6 students in core skills. 4 of them are here one day, and then the next day the other 2 are here. So it's very small. I have a great chance to work with your student one-on-one and really help them out this year. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a goofy year, but it's going to be an awesome learning experience, and we're all going to be better for it. So I look forward to meeting you in person some point. If not, at least virtually through a Zoom call or something. But please never hesitate to reach out. Thank you. Have an awesome day.